Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to try something a little different, something powerful for improving your English fluency. It's called the mini story with questions technique. Now, you might be wondering, what is that? Well, it's simple. I'm going to tell you a short, simple story, piece by piece. After each part of the story, I'll ask you some very easy questions. Your job is to answer these questions out loud. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's part of the process. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to train your brain to think and respond in English automatically, without translating in your head first. Are you ready? Let's give it a try. Our story is about a woman named Clara. Clara lived in a small, quiet town. Let's pause there. Now for the questions. Who lived in a small, quiet town? Clara. Yes, Clara lived in a small, quiet town. Did Clara live in a big city? No, she didn't. Clara didn't live in a big city. Where did Clara live? She lived in a small, quiet town. What kind of town did she live in? She lived in a small and quiet town. Was the town noisy? No, it wasn't. The town was quiet. Great job. See how that works? Very simple. Let's continue the story. One day, Clara decided she wanted to learn how to bake the most delicious cake in the world. Okay, let's ask some questions. What did Clara decide to do one day? She decided to learn how to bake a cake. Did Clara want to learn how to fix a car? No, she didn't. She wanted to learn how to bake. What kind of cake did she want to bake? She wanted to bake the most delicious cake in the world. Was it just any cake? No, it wasn't. It was the most delicious cake. Who wanted to bake this special cake? Clara. It was Clara who wanted to bake it. You're doing fantastic. Let's add more to our story. Clara went to the town's old library. She searched for a special cookbook. So, where did Clara go? She went to the town's old library. Did she go to the supermarket? No, she didn't go to the supermarket. She went to the library. Why did she go to the library? She went there to search for a special cookbook. Was she looking for a newspaper? No, not a newspaper. She was looking for a cookbook. What kind of library was it? It was the town's old library. Was the library new? No, it wasn't new. It was old. Excellent. You're getting the hang of this. Let's keep going. After searching for 3 hours, she found a dusty blue book with golden letters. The title was Legendary Cakes. How long did Clara search for the book? She searched for 3 hours. Did she search for 1 hour? No, not 1 hour. She searched for 3 hours. What did she find after 3 hours? She found a dusty blue book. What color was the book? It was blue. Was the book clean? No, it wasn't. The book was dusty. What was on the cover of the book? Golden letters were on the cover. And what was the title of the book? The title was Legendary Cakes. You are doing so well. This is exactly how you build fluency. Let's continue. Inside the book, she found a recipe for a sunshine chocolate cake. It required a very rare ingredient, a single tear from a laughing dragon. What did Clara find inside the book? She found a recipe. What was the recipe for? It was for a sunshine chocolate cake. Did the recipe require a common ingredient? No, it didn't. It required a very rare ingredient. What was the rare ingredient? A single tear from a laughing dragon. Did it require 2 tears? No, just one. A single tear. And the tear had to come from what kind of dragon? A laughing dragon, not a crying dragon. No, a laughing dragon. This story is getting interesting, isn't it? Let's see what happens next. Clara was not discouraged. She packed a small bag with some sandwiches and an old map. She was determined to find a laughing dragon. How did Clara feel? Was she discouraged? No, she wasn't discouraged. Was she determined? Yes, she was very determined. What did she pack in her bag? She packed some sandwiches and an old map. Did she pack a tent? No, the story doesn't say she packed a tent. It says she packed sandwiches and a map. Why did she pack a bag? Because she was going on a journey to find a laughing dragon. Who was going to find a laughing dragon? Clara. Clara was going to find one. You are doing an amazing job. Let's continue with Clara's adventure. Clara traveled for many days. She crossed a wide river and climbed a tall mountain. The map was difficult to read. Did Clara travel for a short time? No, she didn't. She traveled for many days. What did she cross during her journey? She crossed a wide river. Did she also climb something? Yes, she did. She climbed a tall mountain. Was the mountain short? No, the mountain was tall. How was the map? Was it easy to read? No, it wasn't. The map was difficult to read. Who was having difficulty reading the map? Clara. Clara was having difficulty with the map. Almost there. Let's get to the most exciting part of the story. Finally, at the top of the mountain, she found a cave. Inside, a large green dragon was watching a funny movie and laughing loudly. Where did she find the cave? She found it at the top of the mountain. Did she find the cave at the bottom of the mountain? No, it was at the top. What was inside the cave? A large, green dragon was inside. What color was the dragon? The dragon was green. Was the dragon small? No, it was large. What was the dragon doing? It was watching a funny movie and laughing. Was the dragon crying? No, it wasn't crying. It was laughing. Loudly, this is the final part of our story. Let's finish strong. Clara quietly approached the dragon. She held out a tiny bottle. As the dragon roared with laughter, a single, shimmering tear flew through the air and landed perfectly inside her bottle. Did Clara make a lot of noise when she approached the dragon? No, she didn't. She approached quietly. What did she hold out? She held out a tiny bottle. Was the bottle large? No, it was tiny. What happened when the dragon laughed? A single, shimmering tear flew through the air. Did the tear fall on the ground? No, it didn't. It landed perfectly inside her bottle. How many tears did she collect? She collected one, a single tear. Did Clara finally get the rare ingredient? Yes, she did. She got the tear from a laughing dragon. And that's the end of our story. How did you do? You just completed a full mini-story with questions session. By answering these simple questions, you were actively using English, recalling vocabulary, and practicing grammar without even thinking about it. That is the magic of this method. The key is repetition. Listen to this story again tomorrow, and the next day. Soon, you'll be answering the questions instantly, without any hesitation. This is how you build the mental muscles for fluency. Thank you so much for participating today. I hope you found this exercise helpful and maybe a little fun too. If you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to make more of these story-based lessons for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.